This video demonstrates how to use this robot car. The very basic built-in functions is the left and right sensors for obstruction. Also the bottom tracks will follow a black track running, for example, within a black line. The bottom batteries are for giving power to the motors. The front, it will be separated to positive and negatives. The red is the positive and the black is the negative. If you input two 3-volt standard AA batteries, it will output 5-volt battery via the USB. Any electrical devices such as mobile phone can use this for charging. The top is mainly responsible for programming while the bottom is for the running of the robot car. The bottom main board is responsible solely for giving power to the motor. The board has a on-off switch which reset or give power to the processor chip for control. The board has a USB port and also a ISP port for connection to the program. Can change from USB to ISP to download and connect to the main program, or USB to RS432 to connect, because the latest laptops and netbooks only contains the USB port. Not only the board can be used individually, but it can also be used with combination as a mobile robot car. Here we have the motors and the second board at the back of the robot car. The IC main processor chip is STC89C51 series. USB port mainly is for the STC processor chip. There are two main companies for the 89 series. The Atmel 89S51 chip also from the 89 series, which uses their ISP port. There are 4 port pins at the back. It runs from P0 to P3 and is 32-bit in total. The main interest point of this robot car is that it is divided to 3 levels. Primary school and beginners like to use flowchart or diagrams. We developed a FlowChart Programming for input control. It uses icon-based to write commands. For secondary and immediate users, in the FlowChart program there is a process which they can use very simple basic C command language to control the car. For advanced level users, they can move away from our FlowChart program. They can directly use as C command languages and the car can follow whatever it programs. Not only did we develop the FlowChart programming, we developed a series of small main boards accessories, such as LED indicator buzzer, numerals display, and on-off switches. It can be input on a robot car's main board via the P0 to P3 ports.
They can mount it on easily via the pins, and the user can directly input the program onto the robot cars and instantly know if there are any wrong in the code. It trains and teaches the student or user how to use, understand and program the buzzer and the LED numeric indicator. When the robot car is not in use, we unplug the wires and it is transformed to be used individually just for programming and for the accessories, and is an experimental board.
The front port here is to give power to the main board. Left is positive, right is negative. The LED indicator can teach the user how to use and program the LED to have different on-off pattern. Also the LED numeric indicator can count down to whatever the on-off switch indicate and then switches off. With the buzzer, the student can use it to write a small melody. We are developing and upgrading more accessories such as graphical display, Bluetooth, etc. Please visit our company's website at www.prodtech.biz.